Hey everyone, it's March 5th and I'm here in Central Texas. I was going to show you some of our banana plants. So you can see we have some bananas in here. These are Musa Bastu bananas, so cold hardy bananas. And you can see they are coming up like crazy already. So we've got a couple of them coming up here. I'm probably going to have to relocate. Yeah, here's a nice big one. There's one coming up over here. There's another one over there. A couple over there. Well, so kitty, what are you doing? You're not supposed to be in the grass. Hey, 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 you. What are you doing? You know better. You girls, keep an eye on that kitty. Anyways, that's our Musa Bastu bananas coming up. You can see over here some of our other bananas. These are ice cream bananas coming up here amongst all of our sable miners. So full swing back into spring here in Central Texas.